Welcome back to Under Oath. I'm attorney Jeff Kaufman. Sitting next to me is James Jean.
Wait. At
Your
some point,
cruise boat comedian.
you got to refer to me as a street lawyer, James.
Street lawyer? No, it's a crime. It's a felony.
Is it?
Yes, the unlawful practice of law is a felony in every state.
Every state?
I think every state.
Okay.
All 18 I'm attached to.
Gotcha.
But yeah, people always say all the time, hey, I'll give you the advice. Shut up. I watch TV. I know.
Because we're all lawyers now because we watch YouTube videos.
Okay. If you are the type of moron
Yes.
who says these words, just turn off my show. Just turn it off. Turn it off. Go to Spotify, listen to whatever you listen to. And this is the one. Possession is 9/10 of the law.
I love that one.
You effing idiot.
It's not?
My foot going up your ass is 9/10 of the law.
That is true, though.
You know, people sit in front of me and they go, hey, I looked this up.
I love that.
I looked this up.
Chat GPT'd it.
Ooh. The best is the Georgia. Oh my God, this is awesome. There's a Georgia prosecutor.
Yeah.
Who's handling an appeal.
Mm-hmm.
Big attorney. Like their attorney.
Yeah.
The big attorney in Georgia.
Mm-hmm.
And the judge goes, hey, I want to ask you a question. And you could pull this one up. In your brief against the appeal, you quoted five sites that don't exist.
Ooh.
These cases don't exist. You quoted 5 things that aren't real quotes.
Oh.
I'm just looking for some understanding.
That's a great one.
And nothing is worse than a prosecutor
Mm-hmm.
who becomes a criminal in 10 seconds.
Uh-huh.
Because then they start acting like the people they prosecute.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. And they get the crazy eyes where the eyes are going left and right. I'm going to have to look into that.
I'm going to have to look into the fact.
Look at the fact that you lied
yes.
in your motions.
Yes.
And I know what happened. L-A-Z-Y.
Yeah.
Lazy.
Yeah.
Every time somebody ChatGPT something, for those who don't know why attorneys do this, it's because they're lazy. And you're going, well, Jeff, everyone chat. As attorneys, we have access to great systems that give us real cases.
Yeah.
LexisNexis, Westlaw. As a prosecutor, they get it. The state pays for it. So they could use that system.
Yeah.
But then they'd have to write it themselves. And they don't want to do that.
No.
So they go, well, let's just chat GPT and I'll send it in. They had access to all this information. They chose not to use it. And then they looked. I have sometimes people help me with my motions. I've been in that situation where one of my assistants have screwed up because people are human.
They are.
If they had false data they put in there, I said, Your Honor, I will immediately, first off, I'd like to end this hearing right now.
Mm-hmm.
Allow me to go back and rectify everything. And whoever is responsible for it, I will take care of. I will also put it on the court that I am responsible because my name is on it.
Correct.
I said, but allow me the opportunity to do whatever I can to make sure to figure out how this happened and make sure it doesn't happen again. I wouldn't go, yeesh.
Ooh.
But she knew.
Yeah.
She knew.
Yeah.
My feeling. I looked at her. She looked pretty guilty.
Yeah. Your Honor, you know what? I did wrong. I lied. I'm going to put in a plea of my bad. Is that illegal? My bad.
No. Imagine this.
Yeah.
This is a criminal case.
That's crazy.
You're the prosecutor.
Yeah.
So you're going out of your way to make sure this person doesn't get the justice he deserves by half-assing a document that you didn't make sure was true.
So now you look like you just have it in for this person.
Now, people don't realize how bad this is.
That's pretty bad.
In our country, this has happened really badly over the last 8 years, where you have prosecutors who've lied when they requested warrants, and they've intentionally lied. And everyone seems okay with it. Our country is based on the ideal that we're innocent until proven guilty. And if you can't get that person, you let it go.
You're supposed to.
Just like Frozen, you let it go.
There you go.
And the reason you don't let it go is because you're an a-hole.
Yes. No.
And here's the prosecutor I'm looking at right now. You made it personal. You made it political. And you're a bad dude.
Yeah.
You are a bad human being who would want somebody in jail for your own political benefit. and you know who you are, but you don't care. Because the fact is this, you got your job because you had a certain political affiliation. You kept going up because you kept doing certain things.
Mm-hmm.
And if you're listening to me right now and you're going, well, Jeff, you're a Republican. I'm not a Republican. I'm an independent.
Mm-hmm.
I'm clearly an independent. Look me up.
Mm-hmm.
But I have been in that courtroom and I've seen statewide prosecutors lie on the stand. I've seen them make stuff up. I've seen them tell department agents to lie and do all these things. And why? For political purposes.
That's wild.
And you're going to put somebody in jail to increase your political clout?
Further your career?
F you, pound sand.
I'm
All
with
right,
you on
James,
that.
what do you got?
Now, speaking of letting it go, this is a good one, man.
I could say F you, can I?
Yes, you can. Yeah, man. It's your.
And if you don't like it and you're a prosecutor, hey, imagine you were the one being prosecuted.
There you go.
Then the party's over, right?
That's right. All right. Now, this is a really good one. My husband is being laid off from his union job in Ohio.
Okay.
And despite earning company logo T-shirts from working events, his employer is now demanding he return them by his end date. And we're wondering if that's legal or if they can withhold severance over shirts they gave us.
Okay, when people say the word legal, be very careful. There's two different forms of legal. There's criminally responsible,
Mm-hmm.
and then there's we can argue about it in a civil courtroom, which means which means money.
Got it.
Okay, if they say give me the T-shirt back,
Mm-hmm.
all right, sue me for it.
Okay. I like that.
The government is not going to come to your house to get a T-shirt. Okay, the police department. This is Officer Sanchez. We're gonna need that company T-shirt, and how about that scrunchie too? While you got it.
That's crunchy.
No. Now, in the real world,
Yeah.
gifts are gifts,
That's what I thought.
and a uniform being supplied by the company is theirs.
Mm-hmm. Now, Jeff, I'm going to quote a very famous legal line to you. Tell me if you've heard it.
Don't start none, won't be none?
No.
Okay. all right.
Possession is 9/10 of the law.
Okay. I'm gonna do something because I don't like doing it, but
Okay.
I get asked hundreds of legal questions every week.
You do. You
And
actually do.
I answer them
Mm-hmm.
because I believe that if I can help somebody and give somebody peace of mind, it's a good thing. But like you said, no good deed goes unpunished.
It
So
doesn't.
people don't like when I give them the bad news.
The truth, you mean?
Well,
Yeah.
my truth,
Got it.
based on my legal experience.
Mhm.
Another attorney might find something else for you.
Mhm.
He might have another avenue to cross. But I feel generally bad when I have to give you bad news.
Okay.
Like one of the things is this. Jeff, I want to sue this guy. Well, do you know how much it's going to cost?
They don't.
They go, what do you mean? I said, well, average attorney, I'm not an hourly guy. I'm a contingency lawyer.
Okay.
You know, I get what I get you.
Mm-hmm.
But here's the deal. If you hire a general attorney, he's going to charge you $200 an hour.
Now,
So
tell 'em
here's
how-
the thing.
Go ahead.
Here's the thing.
Tell them how many hours.
This guy owes me $400.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You don't have a contract? No. I want to take him to small claims court. Great. I want to hire an attorney. Me filing your documents for you puts you in the whole $600.
Oh my gosh.
Well, Jeff, I could do it on my own. Then why are you talking to me?
Yeah. Why you call me?
I had a guy the other day. He's furious. He's furious. I can't believe, Jeff, you won't help me out. You're claiming that Amazon screwed you for $60.
$60.
Well, Jeff, you can't. It's justice.
Okay.
First off, it's $60.
Yeah.
The guy's furious at me. He wants me to represent him on the $60 case.
$60?
It's a principle, Jeff.
It would have cost him like what, $1,000?
You could pay me.
Yeah.
You can't. I don't do those cases. But if I did do it,
Even if you win, we
10
lose.
minutes, 10 minutes
Yeah.
into this phone call,
Yeah.
you've burned your 60.
You know what, Jeff? You should have just went in your wallet. Here's 60, man.
Oh,
Here's
I told the dude, how about I give you 100
and we call it a day.
and you'll be happy with me?
Yeah.
And he goes, well, I don't want that. I want them to pay me.
Oh, God.
Who do you
Bless
think they is?
Yeah, exactly.
You think they is the shareholders?
No.
Who do you think owns Amazon?
There you go.
You think the robot who screwed up your Temu order
Yeah.
cared?
He doesn't.
He doesn't. The robot beep, 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 beep. He don't care.
It's
People, here's the thing. If you need conflict, find it somewhere else.
There you go.
Don't bring your stuff into the courtrooms.
Yeah.
Don't waste an attorney's time. Don't go start looking for the law. Don't chat GPT it and say, I'm going to make $1 million off this stuff. Oh, I saw this TikTok the other day. Conflict should be reserved to things that really matter.
Facts.
Not, oh, my feelings are hurt.
Mm.
I know you watch about these lawsuits where a guy gets a bunch of millions of dollars because his feelings were hurt. 1 in a million. In fact, you have a better chance of winning the Powerball than to win a case that deals with your feelings. Because actual damages are important. A jury isn't going to give you money because of your feelings. Now you're going to say to me, hey, Jeff, this Texas attorney awarded this family. That's political. You don't get money from non-political crimes.
No.
You don't get it. You don't get it from big corporations unless they hate the corporation. For example, let's say Facebook gets sued and you're in the wrong courtroom. You're in the wrong state.
Yeah.
That's why they do what they call forum shopping. People go, what is that? Why do you think they have an immigration case in, let's say, downtown Chicago in comparison to Miami, Florida?
Because
they have shopped. They know that the 3 federal judges they're in front of are of a political affiliation.
Correct.
The same way you would do on a gun case. You take it to a state that's not pro-gun.
Yes.
Or the same if you were going to do a pro-life case, you'd put it in front of conservative judges. And they go, well, you don't get to decide what judges. Well, if I know it's 2 to 3, I did. Because there are only so many federal judges in a certain courthouse, and they're appointed, and the majority of them are Republicans or Democrats. That's where I'm going to go.
You know how to work the system.
Yes. And that's the way this works. That's why that next level always, they go, oh, the Supreme Court did this. Or the level before them, they were wrong. No. Here's how I'm going to tell you the truth. And if you're a judge, get mad if you want to. You know it's true. Your rulings a lot of times are based on your political affiliation. If you're a judge and upset by me, it's just because you're not being honest with yourself. The reality is most judges base their rulings on political affiliations and how do they keep their jobs.
Survival.
Because some of them are elected officials.
Yeah.
Now, if you're a criminal, if you work a criminal bench, you know normally you need the support of the prosecutor's office to get reelected. So I have seen judges in those cases tank a case because they're not going to be out of a job. I have friends of mine who are judges, and they have to run for reelection sometimes once every 2 years. Now, you're spending 8 months of your life trying to raise money or having your friend raise money for you to be able to keep your job because you need to put enough signs in there. That's why, for example, and this will sound political because it is, there is a group that has spent millions of dollars getting prosecutors elected, and they're spending 20 times more than the person running against them.
Yes.
And the person running against them doesn't have a chance.
Nope.
And it's sad, but that's how our court systems are being determined now.